Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. What I'm about to make now is some homemade coleslaw. I already chopped my cabbage and I got a few little carrots that I had in here. Okay, so I'm just going to make some coleslaw. Then you're going to see me. I'm going to fry some chicken wings today. So you're going to see me season them. Then later on, you're going to see me fry it. Okay, you guys? All right. So here's my little bowl here that I'm going to put my mixture in. So I hope your day is going well. Mine is going okay so far. I just finished watching the news. There'll just be so much stuff happening. But anyway. Okay, I'm gonna add me. Hope you guys can see. I got my. Okay, add a little helmet. Just a little bit. Now you can put how much. Now I'm not a Miracle Whip person. I don't like Miracle Whip. I like mayonnaise. Okay. My mother used to buy that when we was little and put that on our sandwich. I didn't like that. And not no Miracle Whip. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna add a little sugar. It looks good, you guys. I'm gonna add just a little bit of vinegar. Hey, vinegar. Just a little dab, like that. That's a little bit. See how it looks so far? See how creamy that is? I gotta get a little bit and taste it. That's good. Add a little bit more sugar. Hey, Pinker! Drink up. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Make sure you incorporate it well. See how that look? It's so creamy. And it's good. Okay. Where's my top? Still on my tippy toe. Stuff falling. on the top, you guys. Okay, my coleslaw and put it in the refrigerator. I just only made a little bit. Binks, I hear you. Okay, now here's my chicken in here. When I prepare my chicken, I like to add just a little vinegar, let it soak in there, you guys. So, what I'm about to do is let this soak for a minute, and I'm about to go in here and straighten up my kitchen, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, this is my chicken. So what I'm gonna do is, I got my chicken and everything. I cleaned my kitchen. Yeah, I like to soak my chicken in apple cider vinegar. It's just habit, you know. It's habit. I don't like cook a lot, you know, because it's like I be finding so much other stuff to do. And plus, about me be walking now, you want to able to, now, I only weigh 145 pounds. That's all. So, but I just want to maintain that weight, because as you get older, and I have a birthday in 2 weeks, you have a tendency, as you get older, is to pick up weight. So I want to maintain my 145, or if I can lose 5 more pounds, I'd be good, you know. Because I'm petite, but I want to, you know, I just know how that stuff go as you get older, and how your body does as you get older. You know, you can use cabbage for a whole lot of things, because I made fried cabbage the other day. I'm just going to add black pepper, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on the chicken. This is some chicken bread mix that I ordered from Amazon by Moss. Hope you guys can see it. This what they had. I think they had spicy too. Okay. Ooh. My goodness. Anyway. So what I do, I let my chicken, then I let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. Then what I would do, I would season it again. Well, my oil, oh my goodness, this stuff, excuse me, now let me walk away. Okay. And see, it coats your chicken really well. See? I think this is my 3rd time like using this seasoning. Let me see. And it's seasoned bread and mix. So you have to be careful with your add-ons and stuff. With your salt or pepper and stuff, you gotta make sure. Yeah, it does a really beautiful job as coating your meat, your chicken, you see. On both sides, it coats it real well. Okay. So, while my grease is heating up, I'm gonna let this sit and marinate here, and I will be right back, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm about to put my chicken in. Roll it around a little bit some more. I like the flats of the chicken wing. What y'all like? I like the flats. But I cook in a mixture. Sorry about that. So I'm probably going to put... One thing I can say about that seasoning mix, you guys, it's a little strong. It'll make you cough. So that's my chicken. And I will be back when this is done. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. That's my chicken in here. It's almost done. Look at that golden brown on there. And remember to try that Moss bread and mix. I got that off of Amazon. I believe they have spicy. I'm not for sure. I believe it's in a yellow bag. But I got the original in the red bag. And you see how brown makes the chicken cook up nicely and golden brown. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to end it here, but I will be back later on with the final product. Bye-bye for now.